This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Shirley Wang. Location, location, location. Welcome to this beautifully renovated home in the highly sought-after neighborhood of Tabb Lakes. This stunning home features an open floor plan with numerous upgrades, including a brand new kitchen with new cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The bathrooms have been beautifully redone with a new stand shower, tub, vanities, toilets, and lighted mirrors. Additional upgrades include new laminate flooring, fresh paint, new ceiling fans, and new light fixtures throughout the house. Step outside onto the new spacious back deck, perfect for enjoying family activities and entertaining guests. The new water heater provides peace of mind, and the seller has gone above and beyond by redoing the garage floors. Located in the prestigious York County School District, this home is conveniently located near I-64, Langley Air Force Base, NASA, YMCA, the York County Library, and local shops and restaurants. Don't miss the opportunity to make this your new home. Schedule your private showing today. April 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below.